Assemblies.
Mr. Wetangula.
Ndio ndio mwa speaker ana National Assemblies title yake ni right honorable.
Yes. Inaisho iti corona doige. Yes.
And you know the right honorable speaker of the National Assemblies. Gaturu akao the furori ni because you are is it third in command?
Yeah, you are third in command.
Yes.
If God forbid number 1, number 2, you are number 1.
Quite unlikely.
Yes. Yeah, now.
And you know from history no, but he is third in command.
Yes.
So he is to address agota mudo gia the furori uko.
Oyo.
Ona liria torugora SGR ali. I understand the president and the deputy, the president, the security system felt it was a breach.
Yes. So they're supposed to harm it.
Speaker.
Just in case.
Yes. Speaker, Moses Masuka.
Wetangula. Yes. Yes.
What is it, Honorable Majority Leader? Majority Leader Ijungwa. What is your point of order? Honorable Sabina, what is it? Kawanjiku. Honorable Kawanjiku. This is not a house of political shenanigans. It is a house of... It's a now good.
Yes.
Order, Honorable Koimbori. This is not DCP.
Sio mambo yasikiza ground hapa.
Moses Masika Wetangula ya reasonable. Tunaweza fikiria ati ni vile mtaenda university. Na mnashindwa mpaka na mock. Mock ni kitu ya kuanguka.
Na hii kuja hii nyingine kubwa.
Continue yapping, and I was looking at your grades, they are dismal. You are yapping here, going all over the class. According to the research that is there, 56% of you are not going to come back to this house. So what we basically have here is like a farewell party.
So
if we don't have another sitting before the election like this, you will know I reminded you that you are not going to come back.
Yes.
I am not going to mention names, but I can see.
I can see you. Yani makiria manuthu matiracoka.
Urabuge ni maroni athiri. Athiri mwesi. Isachi yerekeirwo ku.
Ndigwa marekire na nyamu ile cio mekaga nacio.
No maroriria aswa no.
Ndigwa marathite nginya ground.
Iyo timiha ya andu aya ma opinion puru.
Matirani hite.
Wakwa ni uti mundu murie.
Jesi yako uti mundu jigwete ate ni uretio.
Wakwa uti mundu uretio ground yakwa. Onake mundu speaker nake rimwe ni enda ucotheria guoya.
Kuroria mata.
Ici ni tha cia kwira mundu ndacoka igwo twina maruni guku.
Tuna maginya mwaka ungi mugima.
Na thio thi 56%. No mwaka mongo Mheshimiwa Speaker. Sasa tuko bunge. Unaweza tuambia labda ni wapi kuliedo sana. What you say, I cannot tell you those details. These are just general opinion polls that were done randomly. Asa ni ungetuambia mhezi. Uniambie kwangu kulisemwaje.
Walikuwa ngapi?
You see, go to your ground, underground yako angalia. You will be able to know where you stand as an honorable MP. Sawe niambie. Tuile tu. Waliuliza walijua mimi nasemaga nini? Mimi ni wasikio.
Mimi ni mtu wa kusikiza ground.
Walisikia mimi walibia mtu walikuwa nauliza mtu na ile sama mtu alisimama nayo ama ile anasikilia saa hii. You say they asked a general question. If elections were held today, unaweza rudisha mbunge wako?
Yes or no?
56% of you, your constituents said you are useless.
You are going home.
Wakuambia tuko munyoro. Ai mopilo ni poru matiro athie wega we.
Iyo teatu matiro tutora wega.
Na to kwanja kuri ho ground guko ngai. Wajia kuri go kurathia tia me. gwakwa kwina tumuru tuyo twina mbara njuru muno kwanja tuburoga
na ndece tutoronetio tu
acio nio maroririo nio acio matingĩnyendera wega
kumwanĩra ndathurirwo
na marasapoti mũndũ ũrenda gĩtĩkĩrĩku
gĩkĩ
icio no mũtiga gũthikĩrĩria ningĩ mũheci mũno ikara wĩiguĩte 56% ikarĩ ndũ nyamũ icio cia tũracigaga raira mbere
nĩ ciothe
hĩndĩ ciothe ciaugaga raire mbere
ndũmire athurĩtwo
ndathurirwo nĩ mũndũ ona ũ nĩkĩ ũrauga we
agatũtica
atĩrĩrĩ kona warigano nyamũ icio cionetie Peter Kennedy no atwathe
Mbona PK?
Bado warigano Smith?
Yes.
Ewe.
Yes.
PK ni ahetwo kura nyingĩ mũno social media.
Arĩ mbere. Kona social media ti okura.
Akwĩra atĩrĩrĩ mweci ndũkamakio nĩ nyamũ icio.
Tũrĩ o mbere.
Cirauga atĩ mũkaraiko nĩwe ũgũtwatha gũkũ wa Jakoya. Ndirauga waguo. Na wa Jakoya tukona gũkwena andũ. Opinion poll makauga 27% ya andũ.
Nĩ akinyirie 10.
Ningĩ nyamũ icio itirutaga wĩra gĩcagi.
No mataũni-inĩ.
Ũrakĩũria mũndũ wĩ taũni kana nĩagathurana rũgongo rĩ. Kũu nĩ kũũria andũ. Matiũke morie mama mboga. Na mũtu wa boda.
Ayo tindaga nao. Tukirutĩra wĩra gũkũ.
Mũtikagũre guoya ningĩ tondũ speaker nĩauga 56%. Mũtikamake. Kwanja nĩ andreciria gwĩtia kĩa gavana rĩu. Yo opinion pool ucio itingĩmakia ni.
Itingĩmakia.
Pool cia andũ. Opinion pool anga andũ. Gĩcitaugĩte ganago gwathwo nĩ mũini ũyũ.
Bobi Wine.
Na mũthee no ĩ kũndũ kũu.
Wanyana makĩria ma 90%.
Kũrathwo nĩ horio. Matingĩthikania na
matingĩthikania ũcio.
But what I am categorically saying to you, the opinion poll that was done, and I think the approach was beyond reproach. Still, that 56% of you are highly unlikely
to come back,
return to the National Assembly. So, mwanza kujifundisha kozi zingine. Maji kujifundisha kozi cia moko.
Cia moko.
Yes.
Kwambia ile.
Forex ni acenjirie rĩu. No koi ndwerirwo no gĩtwa rĩu nĩ rĩachokire.
Etagwo atĩa rĩu?
Rĩachokire kũingĩhio maũndũ maingĩ. Ceci nĩ ũkwĩra twauma rĩera-inĩ.
Twere rĩera-inĩ. Ake nĩ magĩbundithia ingĩ.
Amuta road sasa mjitayarishe kwenda kwa ukulima.
Thakĩ ndagatiga ndagĩka 21.